Hi everyone, welcome to Gen English Words. In this lesson, we are going to learn about similar words that we can use instead of the word beautiful. So guys, in our day-to-day life, the word beautiful is one of the most common words we use. When you see a nice place, you call it beautiful. When you see a person, you call them beautiful. So instead of using the same word beautiful, there are a lot more other words we can use because English is a very rich language. So in this lesson, we are going to learn some words like that. So the first word I'm going to teach you is adorable.
When something or someone is sweet and evokes our affection and delightfulness, we can call them adorable. We can use this word to describe people, animals, and even dresses. These are 3 examples. She has 2 adorable cats. John's younger sister is so adorable. She wore an adorable dress to the party.
The second word is lovely.
Lovely means very beautiful or attractive. Examples: I read a lovely poem. I received a lovely gift for my birthday.
The third word is alluring.
Alluring means very attractive and fascinating. We can specially use this word to describe females. She looks alluring in her red dress.
And then the fourth word is charming.
Charming means pleasant looking and attractive. We can use it to describe both people and places. Examples: we saw a charming villa by the beach. Peter is a charming person.
The next word is pleasing.
We can use pleasing for something that is very appealing, satisfying, and pleasurable. Examples: this lake gives a pleasing view to the eye. That song is very pleasing to the ear.
The next word is stunning.
If something is very beautiful and if it makes you impressed and attracted, we can call it stunning. Switzerland has stunning natural backgrounds. They made a stunning performance on the stage.
The next word we are going to learn is exquisite.
We can use exquisite to describe things that are very delicate and appealing in an excellent way. It can be poetry, a kind of artwork, or any kind of creation. Examples: their hours of hard work resulted in an exquisite bridal frock. I saw some exquisite paintings done by world-famous painters.
The eighth word is ravishing.
Ravishing means exceptionally beautiful and gorgeous. We can use this to describe the beauty of females. My friend looked ravishing at the party.
For the ninth word, I chose 3 phrases: good looking, nice looking, and handsome.
We can use all these phrases when you want to describe the physical appearance of male persons. You can use good looking and nice looking to describe females as well. Examples: my brother is a good looking guy, or my brother is a nice looking guy, or my brother is a handsome guy. I like that good looking girl.
Okay guys, so I explained you all those words along with examples. So I hope you understood them all. And as the final exercise of this lesson, you can make a sentence in your own using one of the words we learned and comment in the comment section. I will check them all. So guys, see you again with the next lesson. Take care of yourselves. Bye bye.